Hello and welcome to our third lesson about the streams, where today we're gonna work on flat maps. Flat maps are streams, differently than regular streams. They are collection of things. Streams usually we work with one collection. In flat maps we're gonna work in multiple collections. Basically we grab multiple collections and we're gonna put into one collection. That what flat maps usually do. It can do multiple things, but the main thing to have a flat map is to work with multiple collections and make one collection. And of course we can play with the data, now we're gonna just extract the data, but you can add things, divide things, deduct things. You can do multiple things. So welcome back, and let's play here in this playground. Let's click on streams, right click, new and class. Let's call it flat maps. Okay, public static void. Okay, let's make a screen bigger. Okay, so first thing what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a class. Let's have a student class. Class students. Okay, class students, and we'll have very simple class with only string name, and we'll have also integer integer grade. How about that? Great. Okay. We also can have we'll create here public students. We're gonna initiate public students string name integer grade, and then we'll have this name equals name, this grade equals grade. Okay, so we'll have very simple class students with names and grades, and we can go back to main where we gonna create those students. Let's have two groups of students. So we'll need two lists. List string, list student, list student, let's say student group 1, new students, new array list, students Okay, so we'll have a list of students students. Okay, here we go. Okay, in this group, in student group 1, we'll have 3 students. Student group 1 will add a student. We'll add student. We'll have new. You know what? I'll decide to change it to student. Student. That sounds better. And then here, student. Okay. So student group 1, add new student. And new student will have a name. Of course, John has to be in class. And John, of course, as being John, got grade A. Okay, I see my mistake. So instead of integer, grade should be a string. And here we'll have a string 2. And okay. Change constructors to student char. Didn't like my. Why? Change to students. Oh, okay, here we go. Okay, John got A from my hard class. Of course, we'll have Peter. Peter likes going partying, drinking alcohol, smoking, and doing drugs, so he got D from my class. And then the third Mary was interested in doing traveling more than studying, so she got B. Okay, so we have small group, 3 students, 3 different grades, and then we'll have a group number 2 of students, group 2, and in group 2 we had Scott with grade C because he liked to sleep and missed lots of school. Mr. Smith was very boring, so he was only studying, so he got A. And Brian failed everything completely. He only showed up once, so he got F. Okay. Here we have 2 groups, 2 lists, 2 collections, collection 1 and collection 2. Now let's put those two collections into one master collection, into master list. List will be combined of list student. So this list will be list of students we'll call master list, which will be equal, and let's put into array list. Arrays to as list, and here we'll put student group 1 and student group 2. So here we combined two lists into the third master list. So now let's combine, let's have a not multiple lists of lists, but let's have a just one simple list of all the students, and let's print their names. So for that we can use streams, we can use FlatMap method, and it's pretty self-explanatory when you'll see what we're doing. So first of all, let's grab this master list and let's put it into the stream. Now it's in the stream. Now let's put into the FlatMap, where we'll have our variable and our lambda expression. So we have basically two streams. Let's decompress those two streams. So stu, and we'll have a simple stream from this. Those two streams will move into a simple one stream, simple one collection. We'll have to use another stream here because we have two different collections which we put into one master collection. So we'll grab that master collection and we simply took each member of class and released into the stream bag, basically. Now from that stream bag, let's grab the names of the students. So we'll use map, and we're gonna have another lambda function. Let's grab names, and at the end, of course, like we had in the previous lesson, we'll use collectors. We'll collect collectors. We'll collect into a list. And here is the end of our magic formula. We should import collectors. I think it's from util. Yes, from Java util stream. Of course, instead of collectors, we can just print by using print statement, or we can have a list here, variable string result equals, and let's print result. And we should get all 6 names printed on our screen here. Let's see. Yes, we have John, Peter, Mary, Scott, Smith, and Brian. Actually, this guy should be removed from class. He got F. He's not studying, so we can just fire him from our class. And then Scott has C, so he has a future. With the Peter, with his D, we have to talk to him. Maybe we can convince him to study more and get better grades. Okay, of course, instead of the system out here, we can have a method here. Let's see if I will be able to remember. We can. No, let's leave it as is for now. We'll go deeper in the next lesson. Okay, thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye bye.